In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances effectively is crucial to achieving financial stability and success. However, many individuals often fall prey to common money mistakes that can hinder their financial growth. In this comprehensive guide, we will highlight the most prevalent money mistakes to avoid, providing you with valuable insights to secure your financial future. Overspending and impulse purchases. One of the most common money mistakes individuals make is overspending and giving in to impulse purchases. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and splurge on items that are not essential, leading to unnecessary financial strain. To combat this, create a budget outlining your monthly expenses and allocate a specific amount for discretionary spending. By tracking your expenses and practicing self-discipline, you can avoid falling into the trap of overspending. Neglecting emergency savings. Another critical mistake is neglecting to build an emergency savings fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses such as medical emergencies or car repairs can arise at any moment. Without a financial safety net, you may find yourself resorting to high-interest loans or credit cards to cover these costs, putting you in a precarious financial position. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account to protect yourself from unforeseen circumstances. Expenses in an easily accessible savings account. Ignoring high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly accumulate and become a significant financial burden if left unchecked. Ignoring high-interest debt and only making minimum payments can prolong the repayment period and result in paying substantial amounts in interest over time. To address this issue, prioritize paying off high-interest debt aggressively by allocating extra funds towards repayment. Consider consolidating debt or negotiating with creditors to lower interest rates and expedite the debt repayment process. To protect yourself from unforeseen circumstances. Failing to invest for the future. Many individuals make the mistake of solely focusing on short-term financial goals and neglecting long-term investments. Failing to invest for the future can hinder wealth accumulation and retirement planning. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans such as 401k or individual retirement accounts, IRAs, to grow your savings over time. Diversify your investment portfolio to mitigate risk and maximize returns, ensuring a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Lack of financial education. A lack of financial education is a prevalent mistake that can have lasting consequences on your financial well-being. Understanding basic financial concepts such as budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt is essential for making informed financial decisions. By avoiding these common money mistakes and implementing sound financial practices, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, financial success is not about how much you earn, but how effectively you manage and grow your money. Start making positive changes today to secure a prosperous financial future for yourself and your family. Avoiding common financial missteps is crucial for maintaining a healthy economic life. One of the most prevalent mistakes is excessive and frivolous spending, which can slowly deplete one's finances. Small, regular expenses, such as dining out or subscription services, can accumulate and destabilize one's financial stability, especially during economic hardships. Another significant error is living on borrowed money, which includes relying on credit cards for essentials. This habit can lead to a cycle of debt due to high interest rates, making purchases significantly more expensive in the long run. Additionally, never-ending payments for non-essential services can drain resources without providing lasting value. It's also vital to avoid the trap of never-ending payments for things that don't contribute to one's net worth, such as luxury subscriptions or high-end gym memberships. Moreover, falling behind on payments can create a difficult cycle to break, often resulting in late fees and a damaged credit score, which can have long-term financial repercussions. Using credit cards for everyday expenses can quickly lead to substantial debt and tends to encourage additional spending due to the psychological effects of not using physical cash. Borrowing money from friends or family can strain relationships and create uncomfortable dynamics, making it a less than ideal solution for financial shortfalls. Quitting a job without a solid backup plan can lead to financial insecurity and difficulty in obtaining new employment, while staying in a dead-end job can hinder financial growth and earning potential. To navigate these pitfalls, it's essential to cultivate good financial habits. Creating and sticking to a budget can help manage expenses and save for future needs. Establishing an emergency fund is also a key practice to provide a buffer against unforeseen expenses. Saving for retirement should begin as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest and ensure financial security in later years. Additionally, defining the difference between wants and needs can help prioritize spending and avoid impulse purchases. In conclusion, navigating the financial landscape can be fraught with potential missteps, but awareness and proactive management can steer individuals away from common money mistakes. As we reflect on the insights gathered from various financial experts, it becomes evident that the path to financial stability is paved with disciplined spending, strategic saving, and informed decision-making. One of the most critical errors to avoid is excessive and frivolous spending, which can slowly erode one's financial foundation. This seemingly innocuous habit can accumulate into a significant financial burden over time, underscoring the importance of mindful expenditure. Another pivotal mistake is the reliance on never-ending payments for non-essential services, which can perpetuate a cycle of debt without yielding any tangible assets. This calls for a reevaluation of ongoing expenses and a shift towards a more minimalist approach that prioritizes financial freedom. Living on borrowed money, particularly through credit cards, is a treacherous slope that can lead to a debt trap with high interest rates exacerbating the financial strain. It is imperative to exercise restraint and reserve credit for strategic uses rather than daily essentials. Moreover, neglecting to save for emergencies and failing to budget effectively are pitfalls that can leave individuals vulnerable to unforeseen financial crises. Establishing an emergency fund and adhering to a well-crafted budget are foundational steps towards a secure financial future. In essence, the journey to financial well-being is continuous and requires vigilance against common money mistakes. By embracing prudent financial habits and making informed choices, individuals can navigate their financial journey with confidence and resilience. Avoiding common money mistakes is about making informed, proactive decisions that contribute to your overall financial health. It's a continuous journey that requires regular reassessment and adjustment as your circumstances change. By focusing on living within your means, building an emergency fund, prioritizing retirement savings, managing debt, securing appropriate insurance, planning your finances, and accounting for inflation, you can achieve financial stability and peace of mind. The rewards of prudent financial management extend beyond monetary benefits. They encompass reduced stress, greater security, and the ability to pursue your life goals with confidence. Remember, the path to financial well-being is not about perfection, but about progress and making consistent, positive changes. Thank you for joining us on this financial journey. We hope today's insights have added value to your financial literacy. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful videos.